Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to find where the horn fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's important guys to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So where you can expect to find the horn fuse, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here guys. Now you have multiple fuse boxes, but today we'll work in just one. That's right under the hood, so go ahead and open the hood. If you face the engine on the right side, you will have a cover here guys, black cover. Remove it and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box that will have a layout that will look like this one right here. Now before we continue, let's quickly guys explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the horn specifically, we have one fuse that we need to check only. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. And if you come here, what you need to check guys, okay, let's explain now. For the horn, come in that row here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot. That fuse number 5, that 10M fuse, that's the one for the horn that you need to check. We have a video on the channel that explains why horn does not work on Toyota Corolla, so you can diagnose it if you have that problem. Thank you for watching, see you next time.